Hey folks, so welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to install the suspension. I'm waiting for a buddy of mine to help me out with the installation. So I pretty much got everything out of the way just to get the suspension off. Right now I can see the top hats, which these are on the top of the suspension. So that's why I need to remove all the wiper arms, wiper motor, and the trim just to get to the top hats right here. So bear with me, I'm just waiting for him. I just got started doing this. So we're gonna install the coilover suspension. So yeah, stay tuned.
This video is brought to you by Michael's Automotive Service. We guarantee you a smile each time you come by.
Okay, so the light's so bright now. Okay, so we're removing the suspension component, which has the the brake hose line, stabilizer link, and suspension top hats. So I'm gonna grab this, see if I can grab this. As it looks rusted. You know, we always have the same problem with these ones. They are rusted in. So I'll see what I can do. Hopefully I don't have to break it. Looks stable. Yeah. So further ado, we're still removing it. So we got the stabilizer link off. I did it both sides. It wasn't that hard at this time. Yeah. Last video I did that. Oh man, it was so seized in there, so I couldn't get it all out. So it's still usable. And right now I'm going to remove the shock struts out of there. And I don't know if I want to do time lapse on this, but pretty much I'm not going to do a time lapse. I'm just going to just take it out and show you the difference between the old one and the new one. So I'm going to continue fighting. So right now I'm loosening the top hats. Nope. I gotta get an Allen wrench, Allen key, and where's my wrench? Anyways, 17 here and an Allen key, just that way the pin doesn't move, stays in one spot. All I'm going to do is just loosen it. That way, if I take off the two nut and bolt, it doesn't just come down and fly off right off my hands. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Do it quick and show you the comparison. So I got the top hat out of the strut tower. It was basically one nut holding it, and I needed to get a Allen key / a number 17. So that says that I can remove the shocks from the bottom now. So which this is going up, and yeah. So what I got with me is, here's a coilover. Here's the original springs here. You notice coilover springs are smaller than the factory one. So it's more stiffness, more control, and this is an easy bolt on. See, this is a new top hat for it. Top mount on the top of the strut mount. As it goes in, and basically, yeah, that's how what it looks like, comparison to the old one to the new one.